Welcome. In this video we'll show you about Wi-Fi Advisor and K7 consumer product. Wi-Fi Advisor will warn you either the connected Wi-Fi is safe or unsafe, as you can see here. Safe or unsafe will define as if Wi-Fi is not protected with password, then it is considered as unsafe. If the connected Wi-Fi is password protected, then it is considered to be safe. Once you connected to open Wi-Fi, which means unprotected Wi-Fi, you will get this three options. Enable protection for untrusted networks. This will allow the internet to get connected, but only intrusion detection system will work. You can use this if you are connecting in public networks such as airports or hotels. Option 2 is block network traffic. If you select this option, entire internet will get blocked, both incoming and outgoing will get barred. Option 3, trust this network. If you choose this, everything will work fine as it's trusted network. Choose this option only if it is trusted network, such as home, work, or where you trust people. That's all about Wi-Fi Advisor and K7 consumer products. Thank you for watching.